Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I wanted to talk about trust. Allowing yourself to trust, trusting others, and mainly trusting yourself. In order for you to trust in any situation, you must fully have faith. And actually goes even deeper than that, farther than faith. It means you being fully in your heart, knowing the divine, knowing your connection to the universe, that the universe doesn't have a bad intention towards you. The universe is here to serve you. You are the universe. So how can you not trust yourself that's giving you all of life? We are life. We are the life. We're not just living a life. Observe that. We are the life. We are giving it. We are an expression of the universe. We are this thing full of abundance, and thriving is our natural nature. So when you hold back with fears, you are actually attracting what you fear. And letting go, fully surrendering, and trusting is actually the way you are going to manifest everything. Living out of fear is actually just a mind that we have been programmed and now acting it out when it's not even real. We are reacting. We're living out of reactions, not actions. We are afraid of so much, so that's what's motivating us to do our daily activities, rather than taking all that away and fully trusting that everything is gonna serve you anyways, because it's gonna serve you. It's your nature. It's your natural element. It's where you truly shine. It's where you truly get to be your true self. Free. Freedom is yours. You are freedom. It is only us that hold us back. And you must trust. Trust in your heart. Trust in yourself. Know in all absolute that the universe is actually here to serve you, because it is. And you must now fully allow that to happen and fully dive into your true nature. Fully let this mental world be. You don't have to identify with it no more. You don't have to give it attention no more. You can just be now. You can truly just fully bloom now. And I'm happy that you are doing it. I'm happy that you're following through with your truth and your abilities to truly become a divine God and Goddess, because that's truly who you are. That's your true nature. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment down below with your observation, like this video. Until next video, all is love. Amitabha. Namaste. Be in peace.